You'll discover one of the simplest ways to earn money online in today's video. The website I'm about to show you will pay you up to $20 for each job you do. But there's a catch. While everything in this video is free, it won't work for anyone who are too lazy or even view the entire thing. You must adhere to every instruction if you are serious about earning money online. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's start by visiting google.com. Second, search for Google for Capterra. Open the first page that states Top Software of Capterra Software and Software Reviews. After typing in CAPTERRA and pressing search. In essence, this website rewards you to review software and apps. These days, purchasing the program is entirely optional, so you aren't really required to. I'll teach you how to complete the task in under 2 minutes. There are hundreds of programs in each of the over 800 categories of software and apps that are offered here. Online products reviews are available, and you can get paid $20 for every 5 minutes of labor. If you stick with me, I'll show you how to do it in under 2 minutes and how to consistently make over $10 without investing in the program. Additionally, I'll demonstrate for you how will this work and how others are profiting from this website. You can calculate how much money people made with this platform by doing the math, as they have over 1 million verified software ratings. You might be asking why they paid you $20 for just 5 minutes of effort at this point. The owner of the software or product is ready to invest that much. After all, because more 5-star ratings and positive customer feedback provide social proof and increase sales. So you'll earn $20 for less than 5 minutes of work. The next step is to click the Write a Review link, which will take you to the website where you may submit reviews for thousands of businesses and goods. A person who wishes to purchase a program or other digital good will likely research it online to learn more about it and to read reviews from other customers. Capterra is therefore willing to pay you because positive reviews increase their likelihood of purchasing the goods. As you can see, you can examine this well-known business thinks. There are thousands more popular software programs than this handful that you can check out. There are numerous chances to make money on Capterra.com. Now, if you click Browse Categories, you'll see thousands of various software categories that can open up with everything from business-related software to customer service software to data gathering software to email software and so on. You can make money writing reviews of software. This is why there is a lot of potential for this website. Please add a comment saying, "I'm from this nation" underneath, so that I can ensure that every video I post in the future is targeted at you. Please leave the name of your nation in the comments section below. Let's assume that you can consider evaluating QuickBooks. Just copy the software's name instead of clicking on it to save time and effort. After copying the software's name, search for reviews of it on Google. To get an idea, research QuickBooks reviews online. Therefore, I don't have to spend any money to look at this link and see how other people are doing it, what they wrote about it, and how they made their evaluations, as you won't be compensated if you just copy and paste the words. You can edit them to make them your own. However, you can gather ideas from the reviews and what they had to say about the product. You'll save a ton of time and money by doing this. Depending on how well you comprehend it, there are benefits and drawbacks. To do simple reviews, expensive software is not required. I'll demonstrate what I mean in a moment. Here is an illustration of how to review will work and how you will be compensated. So, the Submit Review button on Capterra, which I showed you at the beginning of the video, will take you to this page. Any business item or piece of software is open to review. Use QuickBooks as an illustration. You can write a review by clicking on it, which will take you to that page. Please provide your name, email address, and other contact details here. Then, it will query you with the queries like, how frequently do you use this software? I prefer daily or weekly to monthly or other, because the latter indicates insufficient use of the product. Who controls this software? You becoming a user by purchasing the software is the first of 3 processes. To score the software's overall quality, press the next button. Find out what other people thought by looking at the 4.3 star rating. The more you respond, the better your review will be. Please rate the software with 5 stars if you find it to be useful. Make sure it's straightforward by checking. You don't have to, but you can give something a rating of 4 or 5. Additionally, writing is another option. You can choose to do some of this, but the more you do, the more money you can make. The next step is to compare the prices of comparable items to determine whether QuickBooks is reasonable. How likely are you to recommend this program to a friend or family member? I'd say 9. Creating a title for your review is the final step. Other reviews can give you suggestions. You don't have to copy and paste the entire headline. For instance, if I were to discuss the finest accounting software for small businesses, I might say something like, QuickBooks has some issues, but it's still the best for small businesses. It can be slightly modified. Next, simply list the software's advantages and disadvantages, as well as the features you enjoyed best. By listening to what others have stated, you can acquire an idea. Simply alter it a little, and you can leave this field blank. However, your chances are improved if you complete this form as well. Try not to leave any of this blank where it says optional, because the more forms you fill out and information you provide, the more people will approve your review and the more money you'll make. Avoid being lazy, and it might just pay off. You can then choose whether or not to switch to a different product at that point. You may, for instance, click Yes, I did, and then specify the product you changed from, such as Excel. In order to send this evaluation, I may just scroll down and tick this box. After finding the Excel software right here, I confirm that I am who I say I am to Capterra and its affiliates. Make sure to do that because it is obvious that you are if you wrote your genuine name and last name. Just click Submit once more to finish. This will all take less than 5 minutes and you will receive $20 for only 1 review. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.